Sunlight 4.0, you have the ability to configure NFS or S3 as a storage provider to not only use for your templates, but also for the snapshots and backup capability. Here we are configuring an S3 provider. We are giving it a name. We choose the provider type, and here we are selecting S3. And then we'd like to use this for general storage and also the database storage for the snapshots, because you have the ability to choose either NFS or S3 or have one of each for the capability. Once that is configured, we can then go into the settings on SIM and see them available as storage providers in the configuration there. Thank you.